Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable and disable extensions in the Microsoft Edge browser. And now let's get started. To begin managing extensions in Microsoft Edge, locate the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions Management page. If you wish to add a new extension, you can click on the link that says Get Extensions from Microsoft Edge Add-ons, which will take you to the official store for Edge extensions. Alternatively, if you are familiar with extensions designed for Google Chrome, you can often find them by clicking on Allow Extensions from other stores. Once you have found an extension you want to install, such as a VPN extension, search for it in the store. After selecting your desired extension, click on the Add Extension button. The extension will then be added to your browser and will appear in the list on the Manage Extensions page. To disable an extension that is currently enabled, simply locate it in the list and toggle the switch next to it to the off position. If you wish to remove an extension entirely, you can usually find a Remove button associated with it on this page. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.